So this video is to prove that pit bulls are not mean, dumb, or anything of the such. In the kitchen on the floor, you will see the bottles of water. This is our pit bull mix. Tiny, will you go get me a water? Go get me a water. Go get a water. Go get a water. In the kitchen. Tiny, go get a water in the kitchen. No, go get me a water. Go get me a bottle of water. Will you please get Daddy a bottle of water? Go get me a water. Go get the water. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it to Daddy. Bring it here. Good boy. Here, let me have it. Bring it to Daddy. Tiny. Bring it here. Good boy. You're so smart. You're such a good boy. Never trained him to do that. He just does it all on his own.